Hello and welcome to this Make Explore Art tutorial. Now today I'll show you how to make a pom-pom using 2 toilet roll inner tubes. So you'll need those and a ball of wool and some scissors. So to start with, take the end of the wool and tie in several firm knots around the centre of the 2 toilet roll tubes. Now all you need to do is just wrap around these 2 toilet rolls. Make sure you keep it nice and firm and you can wrap as much or as little as you want. So once you finish wrapping, just cut that tail end off and then cut yourself a 25cm length of wool. This will be for you to wrap around between the 2 toilet roll tubes to make sure that the pom-pom middle is nice and secure. You can carefully squeeze one of the toilet roll tubes into the middle and then cut directly across so that you get one half of your pom-pom. Now because the centre might not be so secure, wrap a few more layers of wool around the middle and secure. Then you can cut your final side of your pom-pom, so straight through the middle again. All you need to do now is trim it down to size. But why stop there? How about have a go at a pom-pom wreath? You can combine shapes and sizes of all different types of pom-poms. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.